Today I worked on illustrating this trumpet. My goal right now is I'm trying to get better at like design in general using Adobe Illustrator and using After Effects. So I've recently been doing some just kind of practice drawing, illustrating some different little things like this. So today I decided to make a trumpet. And I started with I actually started by going to Dribble and looking at some inspiration. Um, I thought a trumpet would be a fun thing to illustrate and draw because it's got the like finger keys that could move up and down. Then I went to Google Images and looked at some trumpets, and I ended up using this picture that's on screen now. And then I sketched a picture of a trumpet on a piece of paper, took a picture of it, emailed it to myself, and then here it is on Illustrator. So if we take away the background, we can see how I kind of built the piece of illustration on top of the drawing. A few things of note here are that I did this oval to make the opening of the trumpet horn, and similar oval for the mouthpiece. I'm not sure how the proper way of drawing this would be. I also put this because I wanted the inside of the horn to be a like darker color to show that it had less light. I put it on top. So let's see. I don't know if that's the right way of doing that. And then what else? I also found that I started out by just trying to draw the hand in the backhand as like, how do I describe it? I tried to draw it as if it was just like, I guess I tried to draw it all in one line, so I'd go like that or something. And then I realized it'd be a better idea to draw like the front of each fingertip, and then draw an entire closed shape for the back of the hand so that it would be easy to fill in. The thumb is its own shape. That's pretty much it. I felt like it was a relatively easy one to get the shapes of the different things look somewhat realistic. Like I feel like this hand, it's pretty easy to tell that it's a hand. It doesn't look too kind of random. Um, this finger looks like it's going into this circle. So yeah. Then I brought it to After Effects, and we can watch this. So a takeaway here was that sound effects really brought a lot to it, because without sound effects, this is what it's like. So without sound effects, I think that the motion looks a lot more random. Yeah, thank you for watching.